हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका फिर से मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल में। आज हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 डिस्कस करेंगे पार्ट बी का। द फॉलोइंग फिगर द फाइनाइट स्टेट मशीन एक्सेप्ट ऑल 10 बाइनरी स्ट्रिंग इन विच नंबर्स ऑफ 1 and 0 आर रिस्पेक्टिवली। ऑप्शन 1 divisible by 3 and 2, ऑप्शन 2 odd and even, ऑप्शन 3 even and odd, divisible by 2 and 3. To determine which of the given option correctly describe the finite state machine depicted in the figure, let's analyze the behavior of FSM based on transition and finite state. The FSM describe accept a binary string based on certain condition related to count of 0 and 1. Let's interpret the transition and finite state of FSM. Divisible by 3 and 2. This condition implies that number of 1 in the string should be divisible by 3 and the number of zeros should be divisible by 2. This matches the behavior of FSM if, for example, the FSM has state that keep track of the count of 1 modulo 3 and 0 modulo 2, transitioning accordingly. Option 2 odds and even. This condition implies the number of 1 in the string should be odd and the number of 0 should be even. This behavior is not consistent with the FSM depicted because the FSM would need state to track and enforce odd and even count of 1 and 0 separately, which is not evident from the typical structure of FSM. Even and odd. This condition implies that number of 1 in the string should be even and the number of 0 should be odd. Similar to odd and even condition, this behavior requires tracking and enforcing even and odd count separately, which is not directly represented by the typically FSM structure. Divisible by 2 and 3. This condition implies that the number of 1 in the string should be 2 and the number of 0 should be divisible by 3. This matches the behavior of FSM if the FSM has state to track the count of 1 modulo 2 even and 0 modulo 3 transitioning accordingly. Based on analysis of the condition and typically behavior of FSM described in the figure appear to accept a binary string where the number of 1 is divisible by 3 and number of 0 is divisible by 2. They align with the condition of divisible by 3 and 2. Therefore, the correct description of the finite state machine based on the figure is divisible by 3 and 2.